Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram music no results found error. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. If you find this tutorial helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. And now let's begin. There isn't much thing that you can try to solve this problem. And basically, if you go to your story or your reel and you want to add the music and you cannot find or the search results says uh, that's the no results found, you have some options that you can try. Either first, you will be needing to search by artist name. So let's suppose that you are searching for a music and you are searching by title and you cannot find this or it says that no result has been found. So try to simply search by artist name. For example, I'm going to do like that and here it will start showing me all the artist music. And from here, you might find your results or the desired result. Otherwise, you can try to see if you have any issue with your internet connection. You can try some services such as uh, speed test or any other testing connections, apps or websites, and see if there is some connection problem within your Instagram, and then do again or search again for your music, and normally if it was like a connection problem it will solve the problem. Otherwise it might be a cache problem and you will need to simply go to your app info, and after that you will need just to go to storage, clear cache, and that might solve your problem because sometimes there are some conflicts between the cache and it will bug your application. Otherwise, it might be just simply a bug within the application, and you will need just to wait for some updates that you can find into the Play Store or App Store and search for the updates for the application. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.